Hello everyone, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School. I am Vallavi Gaikwad and here I am back to teach you math subject. So students, open your canopy section maths, page number 50. So as we had seen, we had started lesson number 3. In this lesson number 3, we had seen before number, after number, between number. Okay. Now next part that we are going to study, that is comparing 3-digit numbers. Now comparing 3-digit number means what? In lesson second, we had seen 2-digit numbers comparing. Okay. In that what we saw? 2-digit numbers of comparing. Now here it is 3-digit number. Now see here, a 3-digit number is bigger than a 1-digit or 2-digit number. 3-digit number, what it is? It is bigger than 1-digit or 2-digit. For example, see here, compare 336 and 98. Now you want to do comparison of 336 and 98. Now what is this comparison? We are comparing both the numbers. Which is number less, which is number more. Okay. So for example, you can see here. Now see here, these are 2 pens. Okay. Okay. Now you can see here. These are 4 markers. How many markers are here? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are 4 markers. Okay. Now these are straws. You can see what are these? Straws. With this straw, what you will drink? Cold drinks. Yes, you will drink no cold drinks with the straw. So we will count this straw. How many straws are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now these are 6 straws and these are 4 markers. So can you tell me these both are equal? Yes? No. Yes. They are not equal. We can't compare both equal, isn't it? These are 4 markers and these are 6 straws. So both are different. So in this both, can you tell me which are the more number of things? 4 markers are more or 6 straws are more? Yes, good. 6 straws are more. These 6 straws are more than the 4 markers. Okay? Means 4 markers are less than 6 straws. So, in this way we are doing comparison. Okay? How to compare? In both we are comparing more and less. Okay? We are comparing less and more. More and less. In these both, have you understood the comparison? How we have done? You can take any things also and you can compare where it is more, less. Just for example, I had shown here. Okay. In this way, I had told you. Now see, example 1, compare 336 and 98. Since 336 is a 3-digit number and 98 is a 2-digit number. Now 336 we can see, this is 3-digit number, okay. How many digit? 3-digit number. And 98 is 2-digit number. Okay, so you can tell which is the which is the bigger number, 336 or 98? Yes, correct. The number big is 336. So you can show the sign this way, that is 336 greater than 98. In this way also you can show, that is greater sign. 336 is greater than 98. Means we are comparing in this both. So we can say that which is more? 336 is more. Now next one, to compare two 3-digit numbers, first compare the hundreds digit. then the number with the greater hundreds digit is greater. See here, for example, compare 549 and 387. Now, since 5 is greater than 3, so 549 is greater than 387, or 387 is smaller than 549. Now see here, to do in 3-digit number, what you want to do? First you will compare the hundreds. What they had told, the number with the greater hundreds digit is greater. First compare the 100 digit. Now 100 digit means here you can see 5, 4, 9. Okay. This way also you can see 5, 4, 9. This is in 100 place, this is in tens place, this is in ones place. Okay. And 3, 8, 7. This is in hundreds place, this tens, and this ones place. Now in this way you can see that what they have told, first compare the hundreds digit. Now in this both 100, which number is in hundreds place? In this, yes, 5 is in hundreds place. Okay, then which number is in this hundreds place? 3 is in hundreds place. Okay, yes. So 5 is in hundreds place and 3 is in hundreds place. So in these both 5 and 3, which is the greater number? Correct, 5 is the greater number. So you will do this way. Sign, this is the sign of greater sign. So 5 is greater than 3. In this way you can write. So your number will be 549 greater than 387. First you will compare only hundreds number. Both in 3-digit number you take only 100 number. Hundreds place there is 5 and here in hundreds place there is 3. So only we took these two numbers, 5 and 3, and we had seen which is the greater number? 5 is greater than 3. So 549 is greater than 387, or 387 is smaller than 549. Okay, in this way you can see. Then next one, see. Then third one. Now see here, third one. If the 100 digit is the same, compare the tens digit, the number with the greater tens digit is greater. Now just now what we had seen, we saw the hundreds place, okay? We took the 100 digit number first, and then we have done comparison. So we had seen which was the greater. Now what do we want to do here? We want to take tens digit number. Now we want to compare the tens digit. See here. For example, 739 and 785. So what you want to do here? You want to take tens number. Now this is hundreds, this is tens, this is ones. 100, tens and ones. Okay, so in this way you can see here they have to 8, since 8, that is here is tens. 8 and here tens, that is what they have done? Tens is 8. and this tens is 3. Only tens they had took here, tens and here tens. Okay, so here 8 tens and 3 tens. So in 8 and 3, which is the greater? Yes, 8 is the greater. So you can see that 785 is greater than 738, or 738 is smaller than 785. So 785 is greater than 738, or 738 is smaller than 785. In this way, you can see. We have to only tens number. 3 digit, 100 tens ones. What is in tens place? 3. And what is in next tens place? 8. So we took 8 is 8 and 3. In between 8 and 3, which is the greater number? 8 is the greater number. So 785 is greater than 738, or 738 is smaller than 785. Okay. Now see your next one, fourth one. See a fourth one. If the hundreds and tens digits are the same, compare the ones digit. So the number with the greater ones digit is greater. Now if the hundreds and tens digits are the same, if the hundreds and tens are the same, compare the ones digit. The number with the greater ones digit is greater. Now see here. 840. 840, 100 tens ones. Okay. Then 845. So 100 tens ones. Now if the hundreds and tens digits are the same. Now hundreds means hundreds digits is same. Okay, and tens digit also same. 8 is in hundreds place. Here also 8 is in hundreds place. So these both the numbers are same. Now in tens place 4 is in tens place, and here also 4 is in tens place. So here both the numbers are same. 8, 8, 4, 4. Then what you will do? Now see, compare 840 and 845. So what is remain now? 5 and 0. What is remain? 1, 0 ones, 5 ones. So 5 greater than 0. Okay. So what will come? 5 is greater than 0, that is 845. 45 is greater than 840, or 840 is smaller than 845. Okay. First we had seen hundreds place. Then we had seen tens place. And then we had seen ones place. In this way you can do comparison. We are doing comparison, more and less. What is more? What is less? In this way you can see. So, see once again. Comparing three-digit number. A three-digit number is bigger than a one-digit or two-digit number. For example, compare 336 and 98. Since 336 is a three-digit number and 98 is a two-digit number, so that is 336 is greater than 98. Then second one, to compare two-digit numbers, first compare the hundreds digit. First we want to compare the hundreds digit. The number with the greater hundreds digit is greater. So, example, compare 549 and 387. That is, since we want to take hundreds number. So, 100 is here, 5 and 3. So, 5 is greater than 3 since 449 is greater than 387 or 387 is smaller than 549. Because first we have to only hundreds place. 5 is in hundreds place and here 3 is in hundreds place. So, 5 is greater than 3. In this way, we can do comparison. So, now next, if the hundreds digit is the same, compare the tens digit. Now, if the hundreds place is same, now here you can see 7 and 7. These both are the same only. Okay, this is also in hundreds place. This is also in hundreds place. Both are the same. So, what you will do now? You will take tens place. This is tens place. And this is ones place. So, this now 100 is same in both the digits. So, you will take tens. 3 tens, 8 tens. So, 8 is greater than 3, that is 785 is greater than 738 or 738 is smaller than 785. Okay, the next one. If the hundreds and tens digit are the same. Now here, if the 100 is also, we have seen hundreds same, tens same. Compare the ones digit, the number with the greater ones, digit is greater. Now see here, 100 tens ones, 100 tens ones. Now if 100 is also same, hundreds place 8, hundreds place 8. Then tens place 4, tens place 4. In this both are also same. Hundreds place also same. Tens place also same. Now ones place is, so what is remain? Ones. So 5 and 0. In between 5 and 0, which is the greater? 5 is greater than 0. So 845 is greater than 840 or 840 is smaller than 845. Okay, in this way you can see how the comparison is done. So now we shall solve the exercise 13. Okay. Now here you can tell, you can see the correct sign. Fill in the correct symbol. These are the symbols. This is greater, this is smaller or equal. These are the symbols. In the using these symbols, you want to solve the exercise. Okay, now tell me 102 is greater than 106? Yes. 102 is smaller. Yes. This is smaller than 106. So your sign will be this way. 102 is smaller than 106. Then 164 is smaller or bigger than 149? Yes, 164 is greater than 149. So what will be your sign? Yes, 164 is greater than 149. Then C1, 129 is less than 131. Yes, it is less. So greater is 131 and smaller is 129. So children, write down these signs. Now D1, 232 is less or greater than 254. 232 is less than 254. So, as I told, how we are going to identify this sign? We should see first 100, tens, ones. Okay, in this way you are going to solve it. In this way you can understand how to identify the greater and bigger. The next is 154 is greater or less than 220? Correct. 154 is less than 220. Then 398 and 300. So in between this, which is greater number? Yes, 398 is greater than 300. Then 432 is less than 448 or more than 448? Yes, it is less than 448. 432 is less than 448. The next one, 514 is less than 554? Yes. The next, 449 is smaller or greater than 294? Correct. 249 is smaller than 294. Then 659 is smaller than 678 or greater? Smaller, correct. 659 is smaller than 678. Now here, 750 and 750. How you will do this? There is no greater, there is no smaller. So, these both are what? Equal. Okay. 750 is equal to 750. There is no greater number, no less number. Now here, 785 is greater than 758 or 785 is lesser than 758? Yes, 785 is greater than 758. So take down this. So see here, so we shall read it here. Fill in the correct symbol, greater, smaller or equal. 102 is smaller than 106. B1, 164 is greater than 149. Then C1, 129 is smaller than 131. Then D, 232 is smaller than 254. Then E, 154 is years. See here, 154 is smaller than 220. It is greater, yes. So 150 is smaller than 220. Means 220 is greater number. Then 398 is greater than 300. Then 432 is less than 448. 514 is less than 554. 249 is less than 294. 659 is less than 678. Now here 750 and 750, that is both the numbers are equal. So 785 is more than 758. So write down this. So children, today what we had studied? Comparing 3-digit number. How to compare the 3-digit number, okay? Yeah, we had seen by example markers and straw. We used the markers and straw. There were 4 markers and 6 straws. In between this we had seen which is more and which is less. So in this way we had learned the comparing numbers of 3-digit numbers, and also we had solved the exercise 13. So whatever has finished today, just go through it. Okay. Thank you.